Hi, you are watching JP Tarot, and right now I'm going to do Will your person marry you reading. Okay, will your person marry you? Okay, that's a straightforward question, and many people want to know regarding their person's future action in this relationship they are having with their person. So, those who are hoping a marriage with their person, then your answer is here in this reading. I will try to answer through cards. Okay, so choose your options, pile number 1, 2, 3. Okay, you have pile 1 this white stone, pile 2 this black stone, and pile 3 this red stone. Pause the video, choose your pile, and then come back to the reading. Okay, thank you. So those who chose this white stone, you are up. Okay, so somebody has stable emotion for someone. They want stable life with their person. They have already built their foundation, and they are expecting a stable life with their person, though they are feeling left behind, or their person is feeling left behind because they feel like that their person is stable and they need to make choice. They are stable and they need to make choice, and that's creating conflict because the person who is stable is feeling like they have an edge over their partner, so they can manipulate. They are better than their person. That's what I am sensing. Might be two third party cards came, so I'm going to interpret it in the second manner. That's might be your person is in a third party relationship, or he is married and he is in a stable family relationship. So you are feeling left out. You want this stable offer from your person. You know your person has stable emotions for you, but so that's creating a conflict in between you two. Despite this stable emotion, your person is not choosing anything. They are not choosing any option. Might be they are married, they are not choosing you, or they are not choosing to leave their partner. Since they have stability, that's making you feel like you are left behind, and you have stable emotion towards your partner, and you feel that your person too has this stable emotion towards you, but their stability is being asked in this situation where they are not choosing you over their person, or that other option. Maybe a career also can be the issue, or their friends. Somebody feels like they are far better than their partner, or they feel like they have. Might be this can be the other situation. Could be that your person feels that they are far better than their competitors, your suitors. You have many suitors and they feel that they are far better than whoever you have as those who are interested in you. So they have stable emotion for you, but still they are not choosing. They are not choosing, or they are not deciding to take the next step towards stability with you, which is causing you feel like left behind. Might be your person is in a limbo position. They have just built their foundation and they are not ready to get married right now. They feel like they want to be feel like that, feel like wanted, and they feel like they are wanted because they feel like they are wanted because they are far better than their competitors. They feel like that you have a stable emotion for them, but they are not deciding to offer you this stability, which is making you feel like left behind. Or case number 2, you are to decide, you are not deciding because you think that you are far better than your partner, or your person feels like that you feel them that they are not at your level or what. So they want to offer you, but since they feel like left behind, so they are not able to deliver this stability they have with them. Okay, so in either case, one person feels like they are better than their partner, or there is a third party situation where one person is married, or in the other case, somebody is stalling the situation, not offering stability to their partner, which is making the other partner, the partner feel like they are left behind despite this stable emotion towards their partner. They are not being chosen, they are not being chosen by their partner over their either career or job option, or their any option, whether married or not married. So that person is not ready to decide. They are just enjoying their bachelorhood or singularity, and they are not going to they are not opting to settle down with their person. They have stable life. Okay, if they are married, they are stable, you are feeling left behind. That may be the case. And if they are stable, not married, still they are not choosing to give you stability, that's making you feel like that you are left behind. So will your person marry you? See, they have stable emotion, though you feel like you are left behind, but they have stability, and they will ultimately provide you stability despite this ego. They will, once they leave this ego or overconfidence, then they can grab you at any moment, whenever they will come back. They are stalling, they are enjoying that they might be thinking that after 3-4 years they will marry you. They are not ready to settle down right now, though they are loyal or whatever the case may be. Though they have stable feeling for you, they are not right now ready to settle down. They are not choosing to settle down with you. That's creating this conflict, and show off is going on that I am far better than you. I have stability, you are left behind. Okay, I'm not going to give you this stability. I'm not ready to marry you because I'm not in a situation to choose things, because I'm just not in a mood or in a situation to provide anything to you. Though I know I have edge over others, I am far better than others, I'm not able to provide you anything. Might be married or unmarried, but right now they are stalling. Okay, so will your person marry you? There's many cards that are creating hope over here, but once they will leave this egoistic nature and overconfidence that they are far better than others and will choose you or decide in this situation, ultimately marriage offer will come to you, and you will no longer feel left behind. You will be offered stability, and stable offer will be there, and you will be stable in your life. So will your person marry you? There is a time, you need some time, your person needs some time. Okay, your person needs some time. Time is the factor. They don't want right now to settle down, or they have issues to solve. If they are married, they need to solve the issue to come to you. However, I will never advise you to marry a married person, because they will have some side effects. You will have to bear all the life, because ultimately a person can leave the partner but not their child, and the whoever leaves their partner is, I don't see them as a trustworthy. So you will face again and again some sort of disloyalty, or some pattern could be repeated. Once a person breaks their first relation, they don't hesitate to break the relationship again and again. So stay away from a married person. It will be my advice, a human concern and human advice towards you. So take my if you like, take my advice. Okay, but if your person is so egoistic or overconfident, give them some time. Do your work, focus in your career, wait for some time, things will unveil. And if you have destiny with that person, ultimately that person will come back, because emotions are stable, offer is stable, stability is there. Only needed thing is to choose you. Okay, so for now, right now also I can't say no, so there is a yes, but time is a factor. Okay, so hope you liked it. If you liked it, please do like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to get the notification of my future readings. Please do like, share, subscribe. Okay, thank you. That's all for you. Pile number 1. Okay, so those who chose this black stone, you are up. Okay, will your person marry you? Yes, he will marry you. Okay, somebody got betrayed in the past, they moved away, but they can't let the person go emotionally. Okay, so they are stuck with the person in their imaginary world. Okay, so somebody got betrayed, still they have moved away from the person physically, but emotionally they are there for you, their person. Okay, they feel like having this stable social recognition and happiness and stable life, marriage with their person, celebration with their person, because they feel like they are very emotional towards their partner, and the person, though they have immature emotion, but they have this emotion towards them also. Okay, so will your person marry you? Yes, your person will marry you, because despite this betrayal, either you faced or your person faced, your person is coming back, because they have not emotionally moved on from you, and they are going to provide you this social recognition, this family life, this success, happiness, because they are emotional towards you, and they know that you love them back, and you are emotional towards them. Though they think that you are immature in love, they have so you hurt them, so they have great heart, so they are coming back. They have huge emotion, their emotions are mature, though you have also emotions, but their emotions are mature. Okay, whoever is returning, they have a mature emotion than the person, so the immature has hurted, and the mature is taking it, that despite this hurt, they can't think about anybody else, so they are coming back. They are going to give the person last chance. Don't mess up things, don't spoil things. Whoever is getting the person back, please respect that person's emotion, because in some sense I feel you don't deserve your person, but your person since love you a lot, they are coming back. They can't forgive you, but they can't forget you also. Okay, so they are pining to come back to be with you. That's why they are coming back. Respect the emotion. Don't ever repeat that disrespect and hurt you caused, or your person is advised not to cause that hurt and disrespect if they have done that with you. So will they marry you? Yes, they will ultimately marry you, because they have emotions for you. Okay, they have huge emotion, and I'm seeing a mutual emotion for that person in this relationship, despite this heartbreak and this move on situation, physical move on, because there is love, emotion and social recognition in the name of marriage is coming your way. So yes, your person is going to marry you. Pile number 2. Hope you liked it. If you liked it, please do like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to get the notification of my future readings. Please do like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to get the notification of my future readings. Please do like, share, subscribe. That's all for you. Pile number 2. Thank you. So those who chose this red stone, you are up. हो गया. एक बार भी आवाज नहीं दी, बात करती है. So pile number 3. I'm sorry for that interruption. Okay, I just kept my door open, so somebody came to communicate with me. Sorry for that interruption. Okay, so somebody feels very much passionate about you, but they are juggling. They want this happiness with you, but they are stuck, and they are not putting in effort in this relationship. So will your person marry you, though they have huge emotion for you, but all other 4 cards you can see are negative one? No, this is not negative. Okay, so majority of cards are negative. Somebody is juggling. They are stuck. They are not doing anything. They are not putting in any effort. They are not putting any effort. They are not manifesting. So in order to gain something great success in this relationship, they need to put in effort. They need to manifest this relationship. They need to have wanting for this relationship, which they are not having right now, because they are stuck and they are in dilemma. They are stuck. Okay, so for that reason, this passion is not of any cost. It's not of any cost. Okay, because ultimately, though they have this passion for you, though they have this full of emotion heart, they have passion, they have emotion fullest to the fullest of, they have very fresh again and again emerging and new kind of passion for you which never fades, okay, and they have complete emotion for you, but for the this cause, this juggling, because of this juggling and not putting in effort in this situation, not wanting, having no wanting for this relationship, because they have might have given up in this situation. So they are not putting in effort in this relationship, they are not putting in any effort, not manifesting, not wanting anything is in this relationships, because they are in dilemma, they feel stuck in this relationship. Though they have passion, though they have emotion, they are stuck. So will your person marry you? It's a might be. Passion could do nothing when you don't have any clarity in your with your. They have passion, but they are not clear that what to do with you. Then that passion is of no value. Okay. They are stuck. They are not taking any action. Then that passion is of no value. Okay. If they are not putting in any effort, they are not manifesting this relationship, then that passion is of no value. Again, if they are not deciding to choose you, they are stuck and they are not putting in effort in this relationship, then this wholehearted emotion is of no value. Okay, so this is a maybe. Despite this passion and emotion, this is a maybe situation. Okay, so will your person marry you? For right now, it's a no. Okay, but it's a maybe, because you have two great cards. Okay, once your person will take action and decide upon you what to do with you, and they will put in effort to do this, to bring in some success in this relationship, then they will ultimately come back with this rekindled passion and this full of emotion heart. Okay, I'm sensing that somebody got betrayal. This I have pulled some advice card and supporting card for this reading. So I got that somebody got betrayal in the past and they need clarity. Why they got betrayed in the past and what's making this, because they got betrayed. So that's why, despite this passion and emotion, they are stuck. They are in confusion and they are stuck, and that's why they are not putting in any effort, because they want clarity over why they got betrayed in the past. Once that energy is cleared, they get clarity, they will definitely jump in the situation to make things right. Okay, so whoever is hurt wants clarity on that issue of betrayal, and that's making them confused and stuck. They are not choosing anything, they are not putting anything, any effort in this situation. They are just holding their emotion, they are stuck with their emotion and passion towards their person. So for right now it's a no, but it is a maybe for the future. Right now it's a no, but maybe for the future, if you will be able to convince your person that the reason for that separation was some solid ground, or there was no betrayal, rather there was a misunderstanding. If you will be able to tell your person to make things correct, clear in their mind, and if you will show your full emotion and your passion and if you will be able to offer them some stability in order to make them confident to jump from this singularity status, bachelorhood status, to some married situation, marriage like situation, and drop this defensiveness and offer you stability, then you will need to show them that you are still passionate towards them and you want to put in effort in this relationship, that you were too unhappy without them and you were reminiscing them. I'm back to back, I'm taking this all from this card, I'm taking this, okay? So I'm getting whatever I'm getting, I'm clearing, okay? So you will ultimately get stability in this situation, okay? So pile number 3, hope you liked it. Those who will complain after this that why so long reading for pile number 3, because I thought I was guided to do so, okay? Because I was feeling that somebody got major heartbreak and wants some clarity. So somebody was very much in pain, so hope they got their answer. So those, if you liked it, please do like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to get the notification of my future readings. Please do like, share, subscribe. Thank you. That's all for you, pile number 3. Okay, thank you.